Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, student? I hope all of you fine and always healthy, always have spirit to study with me. Okay, in this meeting we are going to learn about cardinal number, ordinal number, and nominal numbers. Please attention about my explanation. A cardinal number tells how many. Cardinal numbers are also known as counting numbers because they show quantities such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are some examples using cardinal number: 18 apples, 14 friends, 10 coins. Ordinal numbers tell the order of things in a set: first, second, third, etc. Ordinal numbers don't show quantity. They only show rank or position, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Here are some examples using ordinal numbers: third fastest, 6 in line. A nominal number is a number used only as a name or to identify something, not as an actual value or position. Nominal numbers don't show quantity or rank. They are used only to identify some things. Here are some examples using nominal numbers: a telephone number 0358, a player on team 10, zip code 64461, type number of products 212. Okay, student, look at this picture. In this photo, there are 5 cards. Card number 99 with a yellow roof is its first position. 5 is a cardinal number. It tells how many. First is an ordinal number. It tells position. 99 is a nominal number. It's basically just a name for the card. Example: during the race, right before the finish line, I passed the runner who won the third place. What place did I win? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. So the answer is C. Third. Look at some animals, students. And the question is, which animal is in its position? A. The pig, B. The dog, C. The sheep, D. The bear. So, the answer is B. The dog. Look at the picture about animal again. And the question is, in which position is the pig? A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. So, the answer is B. 7. Okay, students, have you understood about cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, and nominal numbers and their function? I hope all of you understood. And then please do my task. Don't forget to send to
nih. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.